So we're going to be practicing our regrouping again tonight. Just a little bit more practice before we continue to practice tomorrow. So yesterday we practiced our regrouping by using manipulatives. Today we're going to be practicing regrouping by drawing the model. You should remember a little of this from before, but again, we're going to practice a little bit more and we're just going to keep on practicing until we master it. So the problem that we're going to do right now will be 48 plus 35. Okay? We need to write this number in vertical form. Okay, so right now it is in horizontal. We're going to write it in vertical. Okay, in a vertical form. So we have 48, right, and 35. Well, we know our 8 is in the ones place and our 4 is in the tens place. So when I write 35, I need to line up those place values exactly the same. So I have my 5 in the ones place and my 3 in the tens place. All right? Don't forget to add your plus sign and your equal sign. Now I know a lot of you call this a line, and that's okay. But you also need to understand that this is the equal sign. Whatever is above it is equal to the number that is below it. Okay? All right, so you know from class that we add the ones first, and then we figure out if we need to regroup or not. All right? Then we're going to add the tens. In the video you watched last night, we made the numbers first. We made those numbers so that you could see what the numbers looked like when you add them together. So if I make the number, I would make 48, and it would look like 10, 20, 30, 40, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48. 35 is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right? So yesterday we made the number. You don't have to make the number when you're adding in standard form if you understand it. If it's still a little confusing, then you need to draw it out. Okay? All right, so 8 plus 5. Well, if I look over here, I already know this is 8. 8, 9, 10. Well, let's go ahead and draw a circle around this because we know that that is 10. 11, 12, 13. Okay? We know we cannot fit 13 into ones place. So we're going to take 10 of these ones and we're going to regroup it into 110. All right? If I'm regrouping it into 110, I need to show that over here. 110. Okay? And then I have 1, 2, 3 ones over 3 ones left. 3 ones. Okay? All right, so that's what that regrouping looks like. You can also think of it this way. If I do 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I write the number 13, and then I put that onto a place value chart, that 3 is in the ones place, that 1 is in the tens place. So that's why that 110 goes into the tens. Okay. All right, so I'm going to erase this now because we've already done that. And now we need to add our tens together. So now we need to add the tens together. I know 10 plus 40 is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. So we're going to put 8 tens and next to our 3 ones. So now we have 83. Okay? If I look over here, I'll see the same thing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we see 83. Okay? So at the bottom of your page, I want you to solve this problem. 45 plus 27. Make sure you write it vertically and you solve it using regrouping. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.